Hi, welcome to another video. This video I'm fitting a air filter to the Mini Cooper S. This may improve the ride to Le Mans. So firstly, I'm going to remove two bolts from here, T20s, which are located here. And then loosen this Jubilee clip here. Now the airbox is loose and can be removed, along with the filter. Take care with the positive terminal attached to the airbox filter.
So that's obviously what comes in, air gets sucked in, goes into this bottom compartment here.
Right.
And you've got your filter, air comes through and gets sucked into your engine via here.
Okay.
So let's see how they wanted to utilise that. So it goes onto there like so. Then we have one clamp on there. Use the other clamp again.
Does it not push in too far?
No, I need to.
So here we're applying some lubricant, which is washing up liquid, to fit in the metal adapter.
Don't have to be right in that inner bit. That bit there will tighten it on.
Should I hold it steady?
So let's do it like that. That should be right. I've got actually just use this. Right then, yeah, I've got it all, mate. I've got it all. Now. Nice. So I'm assuming that goes here. That one and that one go underneath. Oh, that was lucky, wasn't it?
Do you want to screw it on first with it? It's easier to screw it on with the Phillips, isn't it?
Well, fingers to start with, I think.
Shall I undo it?
Right. I'll just try and work it out. Come on. Try and work out the whole lefty-loosey thing. There we go. Right, before we do that up too tight, put this bit on. Yes, it's very odd because you've got that this way, you see. But never mind, it's kind of keeping it there, isn't it?
Yeah. Does the nut done up tight enough underneath, is it, or not?
Well, yeah, I want to do this up first.
Alright. How are you going to get to it?
second then. I'll keep that over there like so.
Do you want me to put the screw on loose down on that bottom one?
No, it's right, it's okay for a sec. Let's just get it on nice and a bit tighter so it's actually gripping. It'll still move. Yeah, I can't help but feel that's meant to be the other way up, you know. Yeah?
Yeah, I see what you mean.
So I reckon, yeah, you've got to look this.
After much fettling, it's now fitted properly.